What if I told you that everything you think you know about emotional control is wrong? We're taught to suppress our feelings, to just calm down or get over it. But that's like trying to stop a tidal wave with your bare hands. Real emotional control isn't about suppression. It's about understanding how your brain is wired and working with it, not fighting against it. Let's start with where emotions actually come from. They don't begin with logic or reason. They start deep inside your brain, in a part called the limbic system. This is your survival center. When your brain even thinks it senses a threat, whether it's a real danger or just a stressful email, it triggers a physical response. Your heart starts pounding, your muscles tense up, and the rational part of your brain, the part that makes good decisions, just kind of shuts down. This whole process is automatic. You don't choose it. It's your brain's ancient survival mechanism kicking in, getting you ready for fight or flight. So, have you ever blurted something out in the heat of the moment and immediately wished you could take it back? Here's why that happens. During an emotional spike, a tiny part of your brain called the amygdala hijacks your system. It's your internal alarm bell. When it goes off, it effectively takes your prefrontal cortex, the CEO of your brain, responsible for logic and impulse control, completely offline. So, when you try to use logic to argue with someone who's highly emotional, or even with yourself, it's like trying to reason with a computer that's been unplugged. You're not weak for losing control. Your rational mind is just temporarily offline. But here's the game-changing part. It's called the 90-second rule. When that stress response hits, your body is flooded with hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These chemicals feel intense, but here's the secret. They naturally flush out of your system in about 90 seconds. That's it. A minute and a half. Any emotional turmoil you feel after that 90-second mark isn't just the initial chemical reaction anymore. It's you, consciously or unconsciously, re-triggering the emotional loop with your thoughts. This 90-second window is your golden opportunity. It's where you can step in and take back control. So how do you actually do it? First, when you feel that rush of emotion, just pause. Don't say anything. Don't do anything. Silence isn't weakness. It's the first step to regulation. Second, take control of your breathing. Slow, deep breaths send a powerful signal to your brain that says, "Hey, we're safe. The threat is over." This helps bring your prefrontal cortex back online. Third, name the emotion. Simply saying to yourself, "I am feeling anger," or "this is anxiety," has been proven to reduce the intensity of the feeling. It creates distance between you and the emotion. And finally, delay any and all decisions. Don't send that angry email. Don't fire back a text. Wait until the storm has passed. When you practice this, you're not just managing a bad mood, you're fundamentally training your brain. Over time, your focus will sharpen, your anxiety will decrease. Your relationships will become more stable, and your decision-making will improve dramatically. This isn't about changing your personality. It's about learning a skill, one that will upgrade every aspect of your life. Your brain reacts fast, but it can also recover fast if you just let it. Pause, regulate, and begin to rewire your mind. Thanks for watching.